everyone, this is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I want to go over with you all how to create a downloadable property comparison using your command platform. So the first thing that we want to do, as always, is log into our command platform, okay? Once you are logged into your command platform, we're going to navigate to the Listings applet. Now, there are a couple of different ways that you can create this property comparison. You can either use existing collections that you have, or you can search for properties, okay? If we were to come in and use the collection that we have here, you can select properties. You can select up to 5 properties. So we have 6 listed here. So if we select these 5 that are already selected, you're going to see that we have this option now in the top right corner to compare those, okay? So if we go ahead and click compare, you're going to see that we are then brought in to look at the comparables, okay? So we can take a look and really compare those properties side by side and all of the information included there, okay? There is also the option to create a property analysis. So you could go ahead and click on that. Once you click property analysis, you can click generate. You're going to go ahead and understand and agree to those terms. And then you're going to decide the language that you need this to be in, select the specific property you'd like to use. Is this for the targeted buyer or seller? What length of a report do we want? Do we want the executive summary or a detailed analysis? So pick whichever of those two you'd like and go ahead and click generate. Now, once we generate that, it is going to take quite a few minutes. Oh, not quite a few. It will take a moment or two for it to generate that. So we'll give it just a moment here. It's just going through all of these different items here. Usually just takes 1 or 2 minutes, so it should be done here any moment. All right, guys, now that that is done, you'll see that we have the full analysis here. Okay, we can kind of look through that. We can edit this. We can add some hyperlinks. Whatever you'd like to do, you can go ahead and do that. You can also go back and edit. Maybe you want to go back and do the executive summary, change the property, whatever the case may be. Okay. Once this is done, though, we could go ahead and then print in the top right corner. Do we want to print everything? Do we want to remove the property analysis? You can kind of select any of those that you'd like to remove, and then you're going to hit that next button, and it's going to give you a preview. And once that preview loads, we have 2 options to either download this and send it to our client or share it with whoever we'd like, or we can go ahead and just print this, okay? Hopefully it loads here in a moment. All right, so there is our preview. We have all of the properties side by side. We have a map with the properties. We have that full analysis listed. Everything is included here, okay? We, again, can then download this. We can print it, however you'd like to handle that. Once that's done, you'll have that on your computer. If we go ahead and go back again to the comparables, we can also go to the map view. That's going to allow us to see how close those properties are. These obviously maybe not as close as they could be. So obviously when you're creating this, you're going to be paying attention to that. If we wanted to come in and search properties instead of using collections, it's going to be the same process, okay? You're going to come in, you're going to find the properties you'd like to utilize. Let's go ahead and zoom in over here on the map. Let's maybe grab these here. Oops. Let's go ahead and select that one. Let's select that one. And let's also grab this one here. Now we have those properties. We have too many because it's still pulling those collections. So I'm going to come back and unselect those. Should have done that first. That's okay. We're going to come back to our search now. It should still have those properties selected. We'll give it a moment to kind of catch up here. Actually, let's just do clear. Now we're gonna grab a couple different houses. All right, let's grab this one. This one. Let's just do the two. Now you see we have the compare to, same process, okay? We have the comparison side by side. We can look at those and compare everything. We can then do the property analysis. We can view the map. Once you have the comparables, you can still go ahead and print that. You can print the comparables, map view, and the individual listings. It's going to be the same process. It's going to give you the download option or the print listing, okay? And you're all set from there. That is our tip video for today. I do hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions at all as you're going through this, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Our email is always support@scottleroymarketing.com. We're here and happy to help. Have a wonderful rest of your day. See you later.